are you watching yourself 7 months ago? Yeah? Hey guys, so today we were just sitting back and we were watching Buddy when I first got him and made some of his first videos about 7 months ago. So yeah, we're just watching our videos and realizing how big you've got and what a handsome boy you are. Yes, you're such a baby. Yeah, you are. You're a baby. A mum's baby? Yeah, you watching? Is that you? Yeah, that's you when you were little. Yeah? Always screaming over mum, ain't you? Hey? Yeah? Are you practicing your talking? Yeah. My little baby boy. Oh, hello, princess. I didn't see you there. Yeah, what are you doing? Hello, beautiful girl. Are you going to give Echo a kiss? Give Echo a kiss. A kiss, Echo. I love you. Yes, I love you, Echo. Hi. Are you going to give her a kiss? Oh, he's not going to give you a kiss, is he? Mom, give you a pat. Hello, baby. Yeah, say hello, Echo. Yeah. Hello. Give Echo kisses. Oh, poor Echo. Yeah, poor Echo. Are you going to come give Echo a kiss? Come on, buddy. Are you doing your little dance? Here he comes. Peekaboo. Yeah, give Echo a kiss. Yeah. Big kisses. Say love you, Echo. Yes, I love you. Yeah. You're walking off. Now she wants you some pats, don't you, darling? Yeah. Oh, come on. You come say hello. You talk to Echo. Oh, who's a pretty boy? Hello, Echo. Yeah. She come down to say hello, isn't she? Yeah, you come down and say hello. Say hello, Echo. Give her a kiss. Come on. Give her a kiss. Say, oh. No. Yeah, what are you doing? Give Echo a kiss. Come on. She's waiting. Yeah, she's waiting for you to give her big kisses. Mwah. Go on. More iPad, hey? No, give Echo a kiss. You're a rat bag. Yeah. You'll get it sooner or later what you have to do, won't you, my little man? There he goes. Oh. Oh, hello, baby. Oh. Give Echo a kiss. No, not the phone. Come on. Where are you, baby? You're going over there. Yeah, she's going over there in the corner. She's doing a little dance. Yeah. Go give her a kiss. You go, mwah, Echo. You give Echo a kiss. No. You're knocking. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Where's Echo? Where's the baby? Where is she? Go give her a kiss. Oh, you're knocking on the door. Hello. Hello. Hello, Echo. Oh, hello, baby. Yeah, hello, baby. Say hello. Yeah, say hello, pretty lady. You knocking? Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. You look so cute. Yeah, you're just too cute with your little dances, aren't you? Yeah, look at you. Who's a handsome boy? Oh, who's a handsome boy? Hello, baby. Yeah, hello, darling. Did you dances for Mum? Hello. Did you press play? Yeah, you watching yourself? That's when you were a baby. Yeah? Yes, baby buddy. Hey, baby. Yeah, that was before you came, wasn't it, my darling? It's alright, he's not gonna get ya. Right? Yeah, it's alright. Is that you practicing when you're little? Yeah. Is that you practicing talking? Who's a cheeky boy? Yeah, cheeky boy. Oh. Is that you yelling? Hey. Hi, baby. Yeah. Hello, beautiful girl. Hello, Bobby. Yeah. Do you want Pat? What? What do you want? You're buying a sock. Uh-oh. What did you do? Did you turn it off? Hey. Where's the Buddy channel? Yeah, where's the Buddy and Echo channel? There it is. Where's your old ones? Let's have a look. Okay. Let's have a look at these ones.
I never owned a bird. I didn't know that they could be that clear.
Is it talking? He's talking.
This is Cosmo Story for GLB.
Yeah, not talking. He's a cheeky boy, isn't he?
Cosmo seems to know the context.
Cheeky boy. Yeah. That's not an Indian ringneck, is it? Hang on then. What else have we got? Yeah, let's have a look what other birdies we have. Alright, let's see. We've got some Indian ringneck parrots. Here we go. Which one do you want to watch? Yeah, they're like you. Yeah. What are these ones? Yeah. Hello. Oh, did you give him a kiss? Oh, you're both watching the birdies. Yeah. You're doing dance to the birdies. Yes, you are. Hello. Mwah. Yeah. Hello, birdies. Yeah. You love watching the different birdies, don't you? Oh, yes. Ah, Mr. Jitterbug. Say hello, Hamlet. So hello. Hey, crazy bird. Oh. Hello, good boy. See, cheeky boy. Yeah, he's a cheeky boy like you, isn't he? Yeah. He's a rat bag. Yeah. Yeah, what? Oh. What you do? Oh. Hang on. Another ad. Yeah, another ad. What's happened? The ad's over. Are you going to jump down? Say hello. Is that you talking to your friends? Is that Buddy? That's you. Yeah, you're such a beautiful boy, aren't you? Yeah. Buddy? Yeah? Everybody's watching you be a little rabbit, aren't they? What are those birdies? Yeah, they're different birdies, aren't they? Uh-oh, what have you done? Yeah, you keep stepping on it, mister. Hey, I keep stepping. Say hello, Kiwi. Yeah. What's Kiwi playing with? Oh.
Hi, sir.
Say hi, baby.
You coming for a walk?
Is that Kiwi? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, peekaboo. Yeah. Is he being a naughty boy? Oh, peekaboo. Yeah. Whee, he's playing. Is he playing? Is he playing? Hey. You come to annoy me now. Oh, you come talk to the camera. Hey. Yeah. What's going on? Hey. Mwah. Thank you. How's my beautiful boy today? Yeah? Have you been watching your friends? Yeah? You've been watching all your friends this morning? Haven't we? Yes, we have. Yeah. Huh? All right, then. Hey, my baby boy. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Hey, up you get. All right. I'm going to go hang out. Let's go hang out, my little man. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves and have a great day. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Good kiss.